DPR Construction is in the top 50 general contractors within the United States who specialise in construction management and commercial contracting. DPR have continually worked with Stanford Business School professor Jim Collins to create a mission and value statement, as well as set a strategy for achieving its goals. Their core ideology is that they exist to build great things, with their fundamental values being integrity, enjoyment, uniqueness, and ever forward, or continual learning and advancement. DPR is also an employee-owned organisation and so recognises that learning and training are the keys to success. Their goal is to be known for providing the best training opportunities and, as such, offer and encourage internal and external training opportunities, which allow employees autonomy in their career progression and learning.
Big believers that people work best and do their best when they're doing something they enjoy, when they're working with teams that they enjoy, with owners they enjoy. Shuffleboard, group outings. So yeah, there's a big emphasis on get out there, spend time with your team, get to know your team, and enjoy being around those people.
It's definitely all about the people here. You know, everybody's very talented. We're a technical builder, so we recruit very talented people.
I mean, we're all after the same thing. We're all after, having successful careers, meeting or beating our clients' expectations. What really propels us to be different in the market is we care.
And we're fun. We're fun every day. We have fun at everything that we do.
DPR's training scheme has both a strong focus on effective integration of new employees through an elaborate new employee orientation scheme, matched alongside with training schemes and provided courses that allow for all long-standing employees to hone their knowledge of effective practices. Their program aims to teach green construction, electrical systems, negotiating skills, time management and business development, with regional courses tailored to the needs of each regional office. All training within DPR is linked to the wagon wheel or spoke system, which aims to assure that training is hitting the 6 critical success factors of the company: safety, scheduling, pre-construction excellence, closeout, change management, and 0 defects. These goals in training are reached through many different ways, such as 10 hours of extended occupational health and safety training compared to industry standards, and a 2-hour injury-free environment training course. Safety procedure is a key focus of DPR's training, with each employee completing a compulsory injury-free project. DPR teaches a zero tolerance for unsafe behaviour approach. Therefore, during initial job orientation, safety is taught as a value. Establishing trust and a desire for a safe working environment is done by orientating employees with safety issues, online safety inspections, and hiring a full-time labourer whose job position is solely to keep the space tidy. By striving to achieve an injury-free work culture, everyone on the job site is made to feel like they are part of a team and are commended by how they personally make a difference to the safety of the project. Steve Coulter, a Mid-Atlantic safety manager, reinforces the importance of a safe culture by saying, "The culture of putting safety first spreads and ultimately helps ensure that every person goes home safe." Integration processes for new employees include usage of the DISC 4-quadrant personality test, which allows for employees to be separated by behavioural tendencies, and then allows them to be moulded and trained properly based on their behaviour. The company also tracks workers' progress in courses and has an 80-hour annual requirement or training for new workers in their first year. This 80 hours can be done through a variety of ways, including courses covering 13 major skills categories provided by the in-house DPR University. Alternatively, through a newly implemented international training system made based on customer and employee feedback called the Global Learning Group, that provides courses in things such as schedule tracking and recovery, giving and receiving feedback, mechanical systems, change management fundamentals, and risk identification and management. All of these sources of knowledge aim to provide new DPR employees with the highest level of orientation and training, whilst also allowing for long-standing employees to brush up or gain new skills to extend their abilities within the field. Although DPR do the basics correctly, there are clear improvements which could be made to their training portfolio. DPR offer training in green construction, electrical systems, self-perform work, negotiating skills and other areas. However, their training portfolio could be greatly improved by the addition of more strategic courses. Bechtel, who are ranked the #1 contractor within America, focus on training staff to be strategic and efficient thinkers. Bechtel trains staff using the Six Sigma program. This training is data-focused and establishes how processes perform, identifying weaknesses and identifying and guiding solutions that result in better performance and capabilities. Total savings from the initiative rose to more than $200 million in 2002 from $15 million in 2001. The theoretical goal is to get to the level known as Six Sigma, defined as no more than 3.4 defects per million measured actions, although in many cases it's enough just to approach that level. To put that in perspective, let's say you've got a mail order company selling candles, and you handle 250,000 customer orders a year. At the 3 Sigma level, you would make a mistake in 16,694 of them, but at the 6 Sigma level, you get only one order wrong. Is this the type of strategic thinking which could be utilised by DPR to further their company and create a competitive advantage?